For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The web series Ashram, starring Bobby Deol, directed by Prakash Jha, was a huge success among the fans when it was first released in August 2020. However, there were a group of people who protested against the web series for hurting Hindu sentiments. Now, with the teaser of Ashram Chapter 2, the outrage among the people has begun once again. This time, people have been trending "Arrest Prakash Jha" and "Ashram" on Twitter. These hashtags are being used to express anger for downgrading the Hindus and showing them in the bad light.
If Prakash Jha really respect all religious beliefs of the land, why did he play the sacred Shanti mantra Om Purnamada Purnamidam in the background? Arrest Prakash Jha for insulting Hindu Dharma in his Ashram web series.
Today, anyone who rises up only mocks the places of worship of Hindus, mocks them, tries to portray them as negative. Why is this only in the case of Hindus? Why? These were just a few of the reactions of Twitterati. Many are demanding Prakash Jha's arrest. Ashram Chapter 2, The Dark Side, revolves around the corruption and crime that happens under the guise of faith. Many claim that producers and directors are intentionally making such content to defame Hindu religion.
Every series in India is with the intention of defaming the country on a global level. It is with deep-rooted Hindu phobia that the platform is portraying the nation in a bad light. Arrest such producers and directors who are doing these acts.
While others have been questioning these directors if they can dare to produce something similar on another religion.
Ashram and gurus are pillar of Sanatan Dharma. Prakash Jha wants to break down the pillar of Sanatan Dharma by insulting ashram culture. Does he have guts to show other religious plays such way? It's a conspiracy. We demand arrest Prakash Jha.
Not just Ashram, but many other movies and web series were targeted for showing Hindu religion in the bad light. Anushka Sharma's Bulbul, which released on Netflix, was opposed by many for having a song on goddess Radha, who was apparently shown in a bad light in a song used in the film. Another, Anushka Sharma's project Patal Lok, which was a huge hit, faced criticism for showing people having non-veg inside a Hindu temple. Recently, an ad by Tanishq was also posted for allegedly promoting love jihad. Many strongly believe that lately contents are being made with the intention of defaming Hindus and their religious faith. Recently, a petition was filed in the Supreme Court to regulate streaming platforms when it comes to their content.